Hi guys, welcome to Chef Mooney, coming to you from Mooney's Kitchen. Well, if you've seen my Betty Crocker packet mix cake, I know people hate packet mixes, but you know what? I've got these. This is the second one I've got. This, however, is Australian since 1978. It's called Greens. That's the company, I would say. So Temptations Vanilla Mud Cake. You can probably order that online as well. Let's crack on. So the ingredients you're going to need is 2 eggs, 125 mils of water and 65 mils of oil. There you go. We'll do the frosting after it's baked. Now, so in the packet you're going to have, I'm presuming, cake mix. This is going to be part of the frosting. We're going to mix that. We'll show you that later. So I've got my oil and my water. Into that I'm going to crack 2 eggs. So that is my wet ingredients. Mix those up. Quite easy. All you need is a bowl and like a spatula. So it does say, let's go over the ingredients here. There's the back of it there, so you might be able to read that. Here we go. You can stop the video there. That's where the instructions are. So it says to mix the, the fan forced oven is 150, so you've got to set your oven to 150. Or if you don't have 150, you can use 170 standard oven. Okay. Okay, so place the cake mix into the bowl, add all your wet ingredients, and it just says that you mix with a wooden spoon or a spatula or whatever until combined, and then pour the batter into cake tin. So I'm using my normal standard cake tin. I think it is 20 centimeter, and I put some baking paper at the bottom, and I've just greased it a little bit with some oil because I didn't have any oil spray. I just brushed it so it's not going to stick. Cut your top off here, and then we're going to dump this into our bowl and we'll mix it all the way through. Okay, so what I'm going to do is pop my dry mixture in, followed by the eggs and the oil and the water. Just give it a mix around so when you do mix it into the dry ingredients, it's kind of well incorporated. Just dump that in. It says all you need to do is mix it until it's combined. So let's mix through. Let's pour it into our cake tin. Can't get any easier than this. Let's see how the Greens vanilla mud cake comes out. Into the oven for 45 minutes. Okay, so the cake has come out, it's completely cooled. Actually looks quite good. Not too bad for a packet mix. I generally have a lot of hard work because I don't work with packet mixes in my work. I don't work with them at home. This is kind of I thought I'd have a couple of things in the cupboard I wanted to use up. But I generally find it more hard work because you've got to really scrutinize the step-by-step ingredients and the method and all the rest of it. But having said that, I think that if you're looking for a cake mix online and you want to know how to make it step by step, maybe this video will help you. In that case, maybe it's not such a bad thing. So we're going to move on to the frosting. Cut the top off your icing mixture. I'm going to pour this into a mixing bowl. I'm going to add 3 teaspoons. 1, 2, 3. You have to add the softened butter, which is 1 tablespoon. I've been mixing this now for a little while. I think it's almost there. Alright, so the good thing about being a chef, when you know that something's wrong, you can fix it. You can sort of say, oh, that needs a bit more sugar, or it needs a bit more of this. That's why look, I'm not complaining about using packet mixes, but I did it for a little bit of variety, and I'm sure that You know, if you're used to making your own cakes and stuff, you wouldn't even bother with this, but yeah, you know, not everyone's at that level. Not somebody might want to buy this particular brand cake mix and say, well, how do I do it? The instructions on the packet, I'm not sure. What consistency should it be? You may not know. When you watch this video, if I haven't bored you to tears, you can find out and work around it. Okay, let's get our cake on. Oh, look, I'm sure it's going to be nice. You could do anything with this. Maybe just sprinkle some coconut on the top. You could let it get cold, and you could, as a dessert, you could pipe some rosettes of cream and maybe some fresh raspberries and some shaved white chocolate would look fantastic on this.